video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a vanilla unicorn MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The MLO will cost you around $38. You just have to click over here and purchase the MLO into your CFX portal and download the MLO. After downloading it, we will receive these three versions of the vanilla unicorn. So I'll be installing this version of the vanilla unicorn. We just to copy this from here, then paste it into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the vanilla unicorn MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here. Now let's get inside the MLO. So this is the reception of the vanilla unicorn over here. So here we have two rooms. First one is the club and second one is the employee only room. So first let's go to the club. So over here you can see this is the first look of the club over here. These are some arcade games. And this is the bar of the club over here. This is the DJ of the club over here. So let's go to the private room which is over here. So you can see this is a private room of the club, and this is the employee only room which we saw earlier. This is the room of the reception. And these are the private rooms. Let's go to downstairs. From the downstairs it will look like this. Let's go to the employee room. This is the dressing room of the vanilla unicorn. And this is the manager's room. And from here we can enter the stage, as you can see. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.